In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable iPhone Erase Data feature. You can set up your iPhone to erase all of your data after 10 failed passcode attempts, and that is quite simple and easy to set up this feature, so let's begin. And first, open up the settings, then scroll down until you find Face ID and passcode, then enter your passcode to get access to these options. And now here you can scroll down to the very bottom where you can easily find Erase Data feature. You can hit at that switcher to toggle this feature on. It says that all data on this iPhone will be erased after 10 failed passcode attempts. If you are agree with that, you can hit at Enable to toggle this feature on. I hope this video helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.